Tech Impact.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Impact. So in this video today, I'll show you guys how to add multiple mid-row ad. Multiple mid-row ad can help you generate more revenue to your YouTube channel depending on how viewers engage in your video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a multiple row advert on your 8-minute video. So without wasting much of your time, let's go in and start the video. So the first thing you are going to do now, you are going to head into your profile picture. So from here now, we are going to go to the YouTube studio. In our YouTube studio, you click on content. This is our channel dashboard. So we are going to click on content. So when you click on your content, you'll be able to select the video that you want to add a mid-row ad in, a multi-mid-row ad. You can see here I have a video of 9 minutes and also a video of 6 minutes. So I'm going to show you that to add a multi-row advert, you need a video that is 8 minutes and above. But I'm going to use this video that is 6 minutes and show you guys that you can add a multiple row advert on a 6 minutes video. So if I select that video right there, right here now, and if I scroll down, you can see the mid-row ad option is blurred out. It's not available, it's not visible. That is because your video is not above 8 minutes. So that is the reason why you can add a mid-row ad in this video. So let's use this first video right here to do this video. So to do this now, I'm going to click on this $sign in this video right here. That's how you want to edit your monetization. That's how you do it, by clicking on this monetization. This $sign. You can see up here it says video monetization, and if I scroll down, you can see here it says during videos, which is called mid-row ad, and here you can manage your mid-row ads. So mid-row ad is a video is mid-row ad advert that play in the middle of your video. So sometimes you can upload your video while automatically and mid-row ad will be placed by the YouTube. But in case you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you how to set a default. When you upload your video, your mid-row ad will automatically be turned on. So when you go to your settings now, you go to your channel default, and from your channel default, you're going to head into monetization. Note that you can only see monetization in these settings only if you're in a YouTube partnership program. So now that you're here, you can see everything is selected. I've set the default for my mid-row ad. As you can see right there, I can take it and untick it then and save if I want to, but due to I already have it, I'm just doing this to teach you guys in the video. So I'll just go back. So from here now, you're going to click on the manage mid-row ad. So here now you can see the amount of ads already currently in this particular video here. We have about 5 ads here. We have about 5 ads, and you can add as many as you want. But note, adding a multiple mid-row ad can disturb your video. It can get your viewers click off your video once advert play. But adding a mid-row ad, multiple mid-row ad, does not assure that your video will display all this ad every time a viewer watches it. So how to place an ad on your YouTube channel? So you have to bring this arrow, this line, to a place you want your advert to appear. Like now, if I want to add adverts right here, what I have to do is bring the arrow there and click on ad break. You can see once I click on ad break, you can see another advert has appeared. So now I have about 6 ads in this particular video. So once you've added your mid-row ad, and you are going to make sure that the mid-row ad is not in any way that is not necessary. You must make sure you place it in the right spot. So now let's say I want to place an advert, and you have to play your video so you know where exactly to place that advert. So that's what that play button is for. So you listen to your video, just go through it and put your advert where you want it to be. But in this is a tutorial video, so I'm not going to be adding advert on this video itself, so I won't be adding any. But these are just features you can use. Like this one here now is to zoom into your clip to view it very well on where you can place your advert, and you zoom in and you can also zoom out with that feature. So like I said earlier, I'm just doing this for a tutorial video. I don't want to harm the video currently. It's currently doing well, so I don't want to add or do anything that might hurt my channel or might hurt the video. So currently now you can see here this skip bar here. It allows you to skip your video forward and backward as well. So you can add as many adverts as you want, depending on how you want it, depending on what your video is all about. And you can also, in case you made a mistake, you put your video where you don't want, you can also highlight the advert itself that you want and click. And click on delete on your keyboard and to just delete, and you can also do it by clicking on the delete can in your ad break right there. You can also do that. And you can see right here at the beginning it says ad starts. You can see this is where most immediately someone clicks your video, ad plays at that time. As you can see the second one here. And if I scroll down here, these are all the ads in this particular video. So you can also drag your ad, move it around and place it anywhere of your choice. You can see there. Now that we are done, we are going to click on continue. Once you're done pitching, click on continue. Now you can see now you've set up your multiple mid-roll ad and you're waiting to start getting more to increase your revenue. So you click on save, and that is basically it. It has automatically saved, and it automatically saves, and you are good to go. So guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, kindly make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech Impact. Turn on the bell notification to be notified whenever we post videos on how you can grow your YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and God bless you.